Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. So here's the deal. Google Docs doesn't currently offer a built-in dark mode on desktop, but there's a simple workaround using a Chrome extension. Start by opening your browser and going to chromewebstore.google.com. In the search bar, type Google Docs Dark Mode, one developed by Evan Hidalgo is a good option. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once it's added, go to the extensions icon at the top right of Chrome and pin the extension for easy access. Now refresh your Google Docs page. You'll see two toggle buttons appear on the right side of your screen. The first button turns the entire Google Docs interface, like menus and toolbars, into dark mode. The second button controls the actual page color, so you can switch the document itself between dark and regular mode. That's it. You now have full control over how Google Docs looks on your screen, making it easier on your eyes, especially during long writing sessions or late night work. If this tutorial made your life easier, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tips.